Welcome to the lovely Deschutes River Highlands subdivision located next to Munn Lake. This home is the desirable The Pearl, a 2018 LGI Homes design that offers an inviting open floor plan and smart home elements. The kitchen has quartz countertops, an island and designer cabinetry, recessed lighting, wood laminate floor, a dining area and spacious walk-in pantry. The kitchen opens to the LRG Great Room West / an abundance of natural light and access to the entertaining patio. Also, on the main floor you will discover the mudrm, a main floor bedroom west / full bath adjacent. The second story has the master suite west / a 5-piece bath and walk-in closet. A LRG bonus room, 3 bdrms additional, main bath west / double vanity and the conveniently placed laundry room. This corner lot offers a fenced backyard, a beautiful garden area and large